after these simple charts, simple prompts that we had with Bing AI, the next thing is I want to show you how powerful this very new Bing AI is compared to others. Okay, it can even just pick a link. For example, assuming I am reading this complete blog post about a complete beginner workout plan, 4 weeks of strength training and cardio. You can see it's a complete blog post. You can see the content. You can just scroll around to see the content, and it's very rich, very rich in content. Okay, so you can see even the workflow plan. It has some videos on how to actually use some of these techniques to lose weight. Okay, you can see that's giving you all the details of what you need. But then let me show you the power of this Bing AI. All we need is just to copy this link. Okay, copy this link, and then you come back to our conversation and say, let's start a new topic. Okay, let's start a new topic and say, can you summarize the content of this blog or blog post? Can you summarize the content of this post? Okay, and you can see how long the other post is. So I can just all I need is just to paste the link. Just paste the link. So say I paste this link and then hit on enter, and you'll be surprised what you will see. Okay, just the link. I just link it up and you will be surprised. Okay, so searching for this, and it's going to give you the summary of what is that. Sure, I can summarize the content of that post for you. So you can see, according to this is it. It has given you a complete summary. It's a beginner workout plan that covers cardio and strength training for 4 weeks. It includes tips of setting reasonable goals, choosing exercises, okay, that suits your fitness level, warming up and cooling down properly, and tracking your progress. It also provides a simple weekly schedule with different types of workouts. You can see the key details such as walking, jogging, recycling, circuit training, HIIT, yoga, pilates, and so on. The post also answers some common questions about exercise, such as how often do you work out, how long do you to work out, how hard to work out, and what to eat before and after workout. I hope this summary helps you get an overview of this post. Do you have any specific questions about the workout plan? So you can see it has given you a complete summary about that particular post. Okay, and if you want to ask it specific question about the blog post, it is still going to ask you. It is still going to provide the answer. Without, who can do this? That's my question. Okay, with just mere looking at the link, it has given you a summary about it. You can see how powerful and exceptional this is. You can be very specific. For example, you can say, can you enumerate the steps on how to do bottom squat? Okay, so let's say we copy this, and then let's make the question specific. Okay, so let's say from the post, can you give me steps on how to do, so just paste that in bottom up squat. So let's see whether it really understands that blog or not. So you can see, yeah, so it's searching for this, and then it will surprise you with those steps. This is very specific. Yeah, you see, this is instance to stand up with this, lower your hips, pause at the bottom, and repeat for 10 steps. So this is very correct, and this is very fantastic. Do you want me to show you a video demonstration of this exercise? So you can go ahead and say, yes, please show me. Okay, you can say, yes, please show me a video. Please show me a video. Okay, and it will show you, and this is how it completely differs from ChatGPT. It will show you the video from that particular blog post. So you can see, okay, here is a video demonstration of the bottom up squat exercise from this. Okay, see, it has given you even the link. Okay, so you can just go ahead. I hope you can just copy this and just go ahead and paste it somewhere. Okay, this is a YouTube link, so you just paste it somewhere, create a new tab, let's say, and paste it here. All right, so you can see this is it. So I think this is it. This is very fantastic. So you can see from just a mere conversation, it has picked and give you an example of a video. You can see it has given you an example of the video that you are talking about. So this is it, and these are other videos that from that particular blog post. You can see these are other videos that you can easily go ahead. It has even given you some shorts that you can also check out to see that particular workout. Okay, so you can see it very nicely prepared, well displayed. Okay, yes, I find it helpful. I don't find it informative. Yes, I find it informative. So you can see I find it helpful. Let's just encourage them because this is at the review stage. So I'm glad to hear that you find it helpful. Do you want to try the exercise yourself, or do you want me to show you some other exercises that target your lower body muscles? I think no need at this point. No need. I have understood what you're talking about, and my main target, my main purpose for this prompt, for creating this topic, is to show you how we can link, or you can attach a post, a blog post, a website link, and this Bing AI will be able to analyze the content and give you a summary, or even be very specific about questions related to areas within that particular post, and it will give you answers. You can ask it questions and it's going to give you answers directly. I think this is superb and this is wonderful. So please go ahead and give it a try, and let's see what you can do with it. So I think that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.